Today, you're going to sort words according to the letter that stands for the sound F. So, you will have two sorting charts, this one here and another blank one, which I'll get to in a minute. The first thing you need to do is read through all of these words. Notice you'll see a pattern. There will be words that have a single letter F that stands for F. There will be words that have a double F that stands for F. There will be a PH that stands for F, and there will be a GH that stands for F. So you need to go through and read these words aloud. Listen to what they sound like, but also look at how they're spelled, because that's how you will sort this first paper. So as you can see, I've already put the word cliff with the double F under the double F column. Continue this pattern and go through all of the words until they are all sorted. Once they are all sorted and all of the words have been taken and put into their correct place, you will then go through and write all of the words in the correct column. So all of the words that have the F in it that stand for F will be written in your handwriting here. Same with the double F right here, same with PH here, and same with GH here. If you're done and there is still time, find a partner and read your columns to one another.